Matt just made us these drinks. It's just like a good summer beer slash vodka drink, I guess, but it's actually called, I think, Hop, Skip, Go Naked, right? Okay, so we're gonna show you how to make this. It only takes like 2 minutes. To make this drink, you're gonna need some vodka, 2 cans of beer, and then a half a can of pink lemonade. Fill your drink container with ice and then add in the half can of pink lemonade. You can add in anywhere from 3 to 4 shots of vodka. Now you can always double this recipe if you'd like to make a larger batch. Add in your 2 cans of beer very slowly and then give it a quick stir. And that's pretty much it. This is one of the best summer drinks I've ever had, and I am not a beer person. So if you guys don't like beer, trust me, you'll still like this. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video.